Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to work on a little project on the Tundra. What I got going on here, we're going to build a interior space for the camper. I ordered the Super Pacific camper switchback about sometime last year in April, and it should be ready shortly. So I want to go ahead and start planning out the interior build. So I ordered all these pieces from tnuts.com. I measured it all out, had it cut to length, and some of the pieces were even drilled out on the ends for the hardware. So this was box one. This is going to be the sleeping platform. And the second box right here, I just opened it up. This is going to be the other side. It's going to be a cabinet on the passenger side. The first one we're going to work on is going to be the sleeping platform, which is going to be on the driver's side. So that's all this stuff right here. I'm going to put together the frame and then I'll test fit it right in there. This is what the frame is looking like. I think I need to put another one up here for more support. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So depending on the what do you call those, the bed stiffeners, I can adjust this out a little bit, or if there's no bed stiffeners available, I could just put it up against the wall. Alright, so we got the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that together. I would show you guys what I do step by step, but it's kind of hard because I'm trying to figure it out myself. Pretty much this is going there, this is going there. Alright, so I got the platform right there. It's gonna have a drawer, and the top platform is going to be on a hinge, so I'll be able to get to the inside. And then on this side, the back, it's going to be enclosed, and it's going to have a top with a hinge also, so I can open it. And I'm going to have all my electronics in there, the Red Vision system, and hopefully 2 100 amp hour batteries. And then on this front section right here is going to be my fridge. It's going to have a little slide out on the bottom for probably a stove, and then on the top will be the fridge, which will also be able to slide out. Just got to get some boards for the base plate and the cover, so still need to figure all that stuff out, but that's what it's going to look like. Anyways, that wraps up this video. Stay tuned for part 2 of the camper build. I don't know when that's going to be, but hopefully in the next month or 2. But as of right now, that's it.